you, we're here at Burnout Rivals. We made it. Is the truck gonna make it out? I don't know, but look at it. I pulled my wires. So here we are, 30 minutes before run time. There's that one back. Here. So the competition is actually starting in 30 minutes. And I just had a wiring problem. I'm going to move my seat, pulled wires out of my console. So nerves are a little high. Mind you, I've never done this before. This is my first time here at Rivals, and the people here are absolutely amazing. So shout out to everybody that's here this weekend. Took me in under the wing and said, hey, do this, don't do that. And I'm probably gonna do everything they said don't do. Not on purpose, but yeah. But anyway, the truck's done. And like I said, we got about 30 minutes before we gotta start staging. And then we're just gonna see how it goes, and I'm gonna bring you guys along with for the action. I screwed that up totally. Officially second in line for my first ever burnout competition. Hey, what's up, buddy? How you doing? I got fans now. These guys took me under their wing, kind of telling me what not to do, like I said earlier. Yeah, so second in line, allegedly.
Not bad, not bad.
And
the first in our hearts.
I like this guy, man. And their channel is Southside Garage. It's South Space Side Garage. So, and he's got that S10 up there. It's LS swapped. It's going to be a smoke show, of course. This, I'm just going to try not to crash. Yeah. I'm so tight I spoke in a higher pitch. So I got an extra large, and now I can fit you, me, and probably AJ in it.
I never buy clothes online. It's always a nightmare.
I typically don't either, but dude, I was out of time, and I'm like, it'll get here. He got the number one. I know Mike's over here. He's all spreading rumors. He's spreading rumors. I'm number 4.
I'll show everybody your number.
It's
official.
Rendition of this. Rings are filed. It's ready to run. It's ready to be fired. That's fucking awesome. But yeah, I just wanted to, try this out.
See how it is,
Especially running with no charging system.
Well, there's a lot of there's that other, there's the the orange one.
Do you mind being on video?
Oh yeah, no, it's fine.
Okay.
I'm cool with that. Yeah, okay. My buddy's videography too. It's all good. There's the orange one that's always here in the pro class. There's 2 that were here last year. The Napa truck, I can't remember what the other one's sponsored by, but they're always awesome to see. They're good trucks. They're really good platforms.
I just hope I can whip it around fast because there's no power steering in this.
Oh, you will. Once you get moving, it should be fine.
Yeah.
Just crank that wheel and give her hell.
Ah!
Let her eat. Let her fucking eat, man.
Buat alay.
We got coolest moving out the front.
So that was anticlimactic.
Told you so.
Listen, so my charging system wasn't functioning properly, and I would jump it at the alternator whenever I was just driving the truck around. I removed that jumper so that they could kill the truck in case it caught on fire. You know, safety, of course. But me removing that jumper didn't allow the battery to charge, and I lost all power down there on the pad, like almost immediately. And it's very disappointing, but you know what? I'm gonna redeem myself here in a few minutes. You live and learn. It's my first event, so make sure you got a really good charging system if you're doing this, because that's the only thing that failed. The truck, the engine is still strong. I put a jump box on it, she fired right up, and I drove it back to the pits. As we're sitting here, I got to put oil in my generator so I can throw my jump box on it. But we will redeem ourselves before the end of this episode. So even when you make yourself a fool, you help your buddies out. Jeff at Speedy Cop, go check him out, he's amazing. Some professional wheel chocks, some 1712 batteries, always gets the job done.
I got a tractor 8D battery in the cooler, that's my counterweight.
Oh, nice.
It was too light, I'm gonna keep yours. So put the heck before just plus the full plastic. See if we can get you under a strip.
Hey, doggy.
Brother. All right, eventually it. All right. Sweet. Take that rubber.
So we are.
Can you get under the frame?
Yeah, we gotta get you weighted. Here, get it on yours, hold it up.
I'll hold, yeah. I'll just hold both. Job done.
All right, let's try that.
That it?
Yeah. And we gotta do the same thing. Gotta walk here.
Yep. Oh, dude, you can get under the diff right there.
That's what we're doing.
Yep. Just getting the boat just off of the suspension.
Do it in 2 minutes. Is that going finally away?
Yep.
He's like, yes.
Okay.
You're a little far forward. You can be all right?
Yeah, I think it's walking that way.
I'll come down a little bit.
Back to the hair.
Right there?
I'll get it. Just my hands already.
Oh, I know.
Let me grab my gloves too.
Oh, shit. Came unglued.
I think this is
Thank you guys. Well, that's it. So all we're going to do now is wait about 5 minutes.
Hey guys, that's going to do it for Burnout Rivals. And the truck was kind of a disappointment if I'm just being real. But it's my first time, so you know, we're kind of figuring out what to do. I've never done anything like this. Everybody here was super supportive, even whenever I came off the track. I was able to drive this off the track, but it wouldn't do in the burnout pad. We'll fix those problems. Everybody back here in the pits were just like, don't worry about it, man. It's the first time. Have fun. But you know, I did get to redeem myself a little, at least. But no, we'll come back bigger, better, stronger, and actually do a burnout. So there's that. But anyway, I appreciate you hanging out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the things. I appreciate you. And there is going to be another Burnout Rivals that we're bringing this to. Lord willing, the creek don't rise. I appreciate you, and we'll see you next time right here on Tree Road. See you.